सो आजकल ना मुझे मिस्ट्री थ्रिलर्स पढ़ने का चस्का लगा हुआ है और आज की जो बुक है ना जिसके बारे में हम बात करने वाले हैं वो भी इसी बारे में है. हाय हेलो नमस्ते, माय नेम इज़ RJ मंजुला एंड वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल जहाँ पर हम बुक्स की बातें करते हैं. वी राइट एंड रिसाइट पोइट्री एंड वी ऑल्सो टॉक अबाउट 90s नॉस्टैल्जिया एंड इन जनरल टॉक अबाउट लाइफ. So if you're interested in any of these topics, then please make sure you subscribe to my channel and also press the notification bell. और हाँ, आज की जो बुक है वो भले एक मिस्ट्री थ्रिलर है, but don't worry, this review is going to be a spoiler-free review. So today on this channel, I'm going to review this book named Verity by Colleen Hoover. Now, Colleen Hoover is a celebrated author. She is, #1 in the New York Times best-selling authors list. Her almost all the books have been in that list of New York Times best-selling books. And also, I had reviewed her book called It Ends With Us on my channel. तो अगर आपने वो रिव्यू नहीं देखा है उसका लिंक मैं नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में डाल दूंगी और ऊपर आई बटन पर भी. So Verity is actually a story of a celebrated author named Verity Crawford, hence the book name Verity. Now Verity Crawford is an amazing author who mainly writes murder mystery thrillers, and but due to some accident she's completely bedridden and she's unable to complete the next 3 books in her book series. But the publishing house that used to publish her books and her husband Jeremy Crawford, they decide to give this job of finishing these 3 remaining books of Verity Crawford series to another mid-level author. I mean, not so good, not so bad. Her name is Lauren Ashley. Now, Lauren Ashley is a huge fan of Verity Crawford and उन्हें मौका मिलता है Verity के घर जाने का, उनके मैंशन में जाने का, उन पे रिसर्च करने का, उनके नोट स्टडी करने का, ताकि वो उन बुक सीरीज़ को कंप्लीट कर पाएँ. एंड ऑल्सो लॉयन फील्स वेरी कनेक्टेड टू वेरिटी बिकॉज उन्हें पता है कि वेरिटी की जो हैं 2 यंग डॉटर्स दे एक्चुअली डाइड and she's only left with her husband and the son, and now she's also completely bedridden because Lauren also lost her mother recently. Now during this time Lauren gets very close to Verity's husband Jeremy Crawford and their son. His son name is Crew, and they always have a great time together. But Lauren always feels as if Verity, who's completely bedridden, and it's been proved by medical staff that she cannot even move a muscle without external support, but she always Lauren always finds Verity staring at her. She gets this creepy vibe from her as if she's studying her or she's trying to maybe scare her. एंड ड्यूरिंग दिस टाइम जब ये रिसर्च कर रही होती हैं लॉयन, उनके कमरे में जाकर, वेरिटी के कमरे में जाकर, उनके स्टडी रूम में, शी फाइंड्स एन अनफिनिश्ड ऑटोबायोग्राफी ऑफ Verity Crawford, where Verity has shared some shocking and some really scary secrets. And now Lauren is totally confused. She doesn't know whether to share these secrets with Verity's husband Jeremy, who's a devoted husband and is completely loyal to his wife, or to actually show him the real face of his wife. Meanwhile, once Lauren actually catches Verity Crawford walking on stairs, but she's unable to prove it because everybody thinks, including Jeremy, that she's imagining things. Now, obviously, Jeremy and Lauren are getting very close to each other. They're emotionally, physically, there for each other. But Lauren is in this dilemma all the time, whether to tell him the secrets that she's written, Verity has written in her autobiography. And what is the truth of this mansion? What is the truth of those 2 lost lives? What is the truth of Verity Crawford? For all those questions, you need to read the book. Now, I know this book was a huge hit, but for me, honestly, it was not the end of this book that was great for me. But for me, it was the overall overall journey of reading this book. And I have to tell you, this book is amazing. At every page there is a secret. You do feel scared at times, you feel creepy also most of the time, And hats off to Colleen Hoover's writing style. She always makes simple situations of life also look so grand in her books. So I would definitely recommend this book to all of you, but be ready, but just get ready for some disturbed sleep for some more days after finishing this book, because the book does have some creepy scenes. This was my review of Verity by Colleen Hoover. But if you like this review, then please make sure you like and share it with all the book lovers you know. And till my next video, please keep reading and please keep smiling.